Hello students, so we will continue our video for computer. Okay. So in the previous video we have already discussed about the wireless wired one. So today we will discuss about the wireless medium. Okay. So I hope you are all going through this. So till Wi-Fi we have discussed satellite communication, Wi-Fi. So today we will discuss about Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is a wireless technology used for exchanging data over short distances. Okay, generally we can see that the Bluetooth earphone also. So they are range between rarely 5 to 10 meters. Okay, their range are very short. Okay, and these are used for exchanging data approximately 10 meters. And this technology also uses radio waves to communicate between devices. Okay, so to communicate between any two devices or more than two devices, it uses our radio waves. Okay, so Bluetooth technology is typically used to transfer picture. We can use it to transfer picture or any songs or any data files, video files also between the smartphones, laptops and tablets. Okay, so in nowadays some inexpensive mobiles we can see the feature of infrared. Okay, so infrared is also a wireless transmission media that sends signals using infrared light wave. Okay, this uses our infrared light wave. So infrared transmission requires a line of sight transmission. Okay, line of sight, that means between the any two devices there should not be any obstacles. And infrared technology is used in remote controls for television and any other electronic device. You can see the TV remote. Okay, one red color button was glowing. Okay, so that uses, and if you put any obstacle between your remote and TV, the number, if you press the number on the remote, it does not show on the TV. Okay, so that means it clearly needs a line of sight. Line of sight. Okay, it requires a line of sight, and generally it uses for remote controls for television and any other electronic device, as that your any TV remote of your AC also. Okay, we can use that. Then we have NFC. Okay, so this is also a wireless transmission media. So NFC is short range wireless connectivity technology, and this technology uses electromagnetic waves. You need to remember this. Bluetooth uses radio waves, whereas infrared uses light waves. NFC uses electromagnetic waves, and it allows communication between two compatible devices. Okay, two compatible. If one does not support NFC, then we cannot use that one. So it allows communication between any two compatible devices by bringing them with a few centimeters of each other. Distance is so less that it is measured in centimeters. And NFC enable device users to use to transfer picture or to app and any other data files from one device to another devices. And you have to remember that if the two devices are NFC enabled or compatible, then the distance between them must be in centimeters, so that we can transfer the files or data files or any other thing. Okay, next we have our network devices. So network devices are used to connect various computers in a network. Okay, and some network devices are NIC, that is network interface card. So what is network interface card? It is a device. You can see this, the picture 1.16. Okay, so this is the network interface card. So what it is a device that allows a computer to connect to a network. It is a device which enables the computer to connect with the network. Okay, various network of computers. Computers. Okay, it is usually a part of the motherboard inside the CPU box. I think many of you know what is motherboard. Okay, so generally it connects with the motherboard. Motherboard is the main thing of the device. Okay, so is this NIC, that is network interface card, it generally connects with the or it is a part of the motherboard inside the CPU box, central processing unit box, and it allows both wired as well as wireless connection between computers to exchange information over the network. So this is a device which uses your wireless as well as wired one to transfer the data files. Okay, so these are network device. So we have the first network device is our network interface card. Second is our modem. Okay, so modem, so what it does, so a modem converts digital signal of computer. Okay, it converts digital signal of computer into analog signal, that is modulation. Modulation means conversion of digital signals into our analog signal, which can be carried over telephone lines or cables to another computer, and the modem at the receiving computer converts the analog signal into digital signal. Okay, demodulation, and which a computer can only understand it. Fine. So modems are internal or external. It may be internal or it may be external also. And most mobile computers have an inbuilt modem for connecting to network. Many of the mobile, okay, those which supports internet have inbuilt modem. That means it convert the analog signal into digital signal into analog signal. Okay, so you can see the picture of the modem. So next is our third number is our network. We are all dealing with the network device. So third network device is our hub, HUB. So what is hub? Hub, you can see this. This is the hub. From this hub, we can connect into many other computers. So hub is a device that connects multiple computers in a network. It connects multiple computers in a network, and a hub receives a data package from the computer and forward it to all other connected computers. So generally we can see this in any cafe, okay, internet cafe, where one master computer is there and all that master computer connects with the other computers, and the destination computer accepts the data package while the other computer ignores it. Okay. Next we have the fourth one is our switch. The switch is also used to connect multiple computers. You can see the figure, it is working same as that of our hub. So switch is also used to connect multiple computers in a network, but is more intelligent than hub. It is more intelligent than hub. You have to remember this. A switch receives a data package from a computer and determines which computer the package is intended for and send it to that computer only. Okay, those computer which needs the data package, it sends to that computer only. Next we have router. You can see the router, Wi-Fi router in many of the in many of office also you can see the router. So what is router? Router is also a device that used to connect multiple computer network together, and it receives and transmits data package within a network as well as between different networks. And a router is also capable of splitting large data packets into smaller parts and transmit them through different parts of destination computer. So many computers can be connected with the router, and it transmits and receives data with a network, okay, with as well as between the different network also. So this one is the fifth one, and sixth one is our registered jack 45. So you can see this, these are very you can say cable type one. So RJ45, that is registered jack. RJ represents registered jack 45, is an 8 wired connector that is commonly used to connect to NIC. Okay, it is used to connect the NIC of computer with a hub or switch. So in the hub or switch, you can see in back side of that switch there are some holes in which this jack will fit. Okay, so this is a jack, or this is a 8 wired connector that is used to connect to the NIC of the computer, either with the hub or we can use the switch also. Okay, so go through this. So in the next video we will continue. Okay, fine, thank you.